What if I told you the secret to fueling your day without the extra calories is easier than you think? Forget those sugary cereals and greasy breakfast sandwiches because you're about to level up your breakfast game. In today's video, we're diving into the world of low-calorie, high-protein breakfast recipes that are not only delicious, but also incredibly satisfying. That's right, you can have your protein and eat it too. Whether you're trying to lose weight, build muscle, or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle, these recipes will help you achieve your goals while keeping your taste buds happy. We'll be exploring 8 mouth-watering options that are quick to prepare and packed with nutrients. From smoothies to savory dishes, each recipe is designed to give you the energy you need to tackle your day. So, are you ready to discover the breakfast hack that helps you build muscle and shed pounds without sacrificing flavor? Then get your aprons on, you donkeys, and let's get cooking. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy recipes. All right, you lot, let's kick off this breakfast bonanza with a dish that's not only delicious, but also packed with protein and good-for-you bacteria. I'm talking about the Greek yogurt parfait. This isn't some sad, soggy bowl of cereal, no sir. This is a masterpiece of textures and flavors that'll have you licking the spoon clean. We start with a generous dollop of creamy Greek yogurt, thick and luxurious, none of that watery nonsense. Then we're going in with fresh, vibrant fruits. Think juicy berries bursting with sweetness or tangy citrus fruits that'll wake up those taste buds. And for a bit of crunch, we're adding a sprinkle of granola. But wait, there's more. To finish off this symphony of flavors, we're adding a drizzle of honey. You can even get creative with some chopped nuts or a sprinkle of chia seeds for extra texture and nutrition. This Greek yogurt parfait is a flavor bomb waiting to explode in your mouth. So ditch those sugary cereals and start your day with a Greek yogurt parfait. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Listen up, you Muppets. We're moving on to number 2, and it's a classic for a reason. The egg white omelette. This is a breakfast staple for anyone who wants a protein-packed start to their day without feeling weighed down. Now, I know what you're thinking. Egg whites? That's boring. But trust me, this omelette is anything but. We're starting with the egg whites, of course, and don't even think about using those cartons of pre-separated egg whites. You need to separate them yourself, you hear me? It only takes a minute and it makes all the difference. Now, whisk those egg whites until they're light and frothy like a cloud. Then we're going in with a medley of colorful vegetables. We're talking vibrant bell peppers, juicy tomatoes, earthy spinach, and whatever else tickles your fancy. Don't be shy with the veggies, you need those nutrients. And for an extra kick of flavor, we're adding some herbs. Fresh herbs, mind you, not that dried up stuff. So ditch those greasy breakfast sandwiches and start your day with an egg white omelette. Your body will thank you. All right, you lot, it's time to indulge in everyone's favorite breakfast treat, pancakes. But hold on, we're not talking about those sugar-laden, calorie bomb pancakes that leave you feeling sluggish. No, we're making protein pancakes, a healthier and even more delicious alternative. We're starting with a base of oats and protein powder. That's right, we're sneaking in some extra protein right from the start. And don't worry, you won't even taste the protein powder. It'll be disguised by the deliciousness of the oats and other ingredients. We're also adding some egg whites to give the pancakes a light and fluffy texture. And for a touch of sweetness, we're using a natural sweetener like maple syrup or honey. Just a drizzle will do, we don't want to overdo it. Now here's where things get interesting. You can customize these protein pancakes to your heart's content. Add some blueberries for a burst of antioxidants or some chocolate chips for a touch of indulgence. These protein pancakes are the perfect way to satisfy your sweet tooth without sacrificing your health goals. Right, you lot, listen up. I know what you're thinking. Cottage cheese for breakfast? But trust me, you're in for a treat. This ain't your grandma's cottage cheese. It's protein-packed and flavor-bursting. Start with good quality cottage cheese. Thick, creamy, and slightly tangy. Add texture with crunchy nuts. Chia seeds for omega-3 boost. Toasted coconut flakes for a tropical touch. Fresh fruit is a must. Juicy berries, sliced bananas, diced mango. Finish with a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. Ditch sugary cereals and try this. You might surprise yourself. Listen up, you lot. We're diving into the world of chia seeds with this next recipe. Chia seed pudding is a breakfast or snack that's as delicious as it is good for you. This isn't some sugary processed dessert. It's a nutrient-dense powerhouse that'll fuel your body and tantalize your taste buds. We're starting with chia seeds packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. To transform these seeds into a creamy texture, we soak them in your favorite milk. While soaking, let's talk flavor. Vanilla, cocoa, or mashed banana. Ditch sugary breakfast bars and give this pudding a try. Your taste buds will thank you. All right, you lazy lot, this one's for you. I know you're always rushing in the mornings. That's where overnight oats with protein powder come in. Prepare it the night before for a nutritious start to the day. A flavor-packed, protein-rich bowl of goodness. Add a scoop of your favorite protein powder. It'll be masked by the deliciousness of the other ingredients. Add enough liquid to cover the oats completely. Cover it and pop it in the fridge overnight. No more excuses. Right, listen up, you lot. It's time to get your greens in. And no, I'm not talking about some sad, wilted salad. We're whipping up a vibrant, delicious smoothie bowl packed with spinach and protein. That's right, spinach. Don't you dare turn your nose up at me. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse, and we're going to disguise it in a symphony of flavors and textures. We're starting with a base of frozen fruit: bananas, berries, mango, pineapple, whatever you fancy. Frozen fruit gives the smoothie bowl that thick, creamy texture that's essential for a satisfying breakfast. Now for the star of the show, spinach. Don't worry, you won't even taste it. The sweetness of the fruit will completely mask the flavor of the spinach, but you'll still get all the nutritional benefits. To boost the protein content, we're adding a scoop of your favorite protein powder. And to thin out the smoothie bowl to the perfect consistency, we're adding a splash of liquid. So ditch those sugary cereals and start your day with a smoothie bowl that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. Listen up, you lot. We're finishing off this breakfast bonanza with a hearty and wholesome bowl of goodness that'll fuel your body and mind. We're talking about quinoa, the ancient grain that's making a comeback in a big way, and for good reason. This gluten-free powerhouse is packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Now, I know what you're thinking. Quinoa for breakfast? Isn't that a bit healthy? But trust me, this quinoa breakfast bowl is anything but boring. We're going to transform this humble grain into a flavor-packed masterpiece that'll have you licking the bowl clean. We're starting with cooked quinoa, of course. You can cook it ahead of time, or use leftover quinoa from dinner the night before. Waste not, want not, I always say. Now let's add some sweetness and texture. Think fresh fruit like berries, bananas, or chopped apples. You can also add some dried fruit like cranberries, raisins, or chopped dates for a more intense sweetness. And for a bit of crunch, we're adding some nuts and seeds. So there you have it, you lot. A hearty, wholesome, and delicious breakfast bowl that'll set you up for a day of culinary adventures. Well, there you have it, you lot. We've explored the top 8 low-calorie, high-protein breakfast recipes that'll kickstart your day and leave you feeling like £1,000,000. We started off with the humble quinoa breakfast bowl at number 8, followed by the refreshing smoothie bowl with spinach and protein at number 7, and the convenient overnight oats with protein powder at number 6. Then we moved on to the delightful chia seed pudding at number 5, the satisfying cottage cheese bowl at number 4, and the indulgent protein pancakes at number 3. The savory egg white omelette took the number 2 spot, but it was the Greek yogurt parfait that claimed the top position, like a true champion. Each recipe is a flavor bomb waiting to explode in your mouth, providing a unique blend of nutrition and deliciousness. So ditch those boring breakfast cereals and greasy breakfast sandwiches and elevate your breakfast game with these incredible recipes. Remember, a healthy start sets the tone for a productive day, so why not try one tomorrow? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes and health tips.